Hello, I'm Charles Crumbine, president of Focus Group Camera Club. We're a friendly and enthusiastic group of 35 photographers. We've been meeting monthly for more than 25 years to share our experiences and to improve our technical and artistic skills. No two people see the world in the same way, and our photographers are no exception. We celebrate the differences in our personal visions, and we share our individual approaches and skills with each other. At our meetings, we generally have a speaker from within the club or from the community to help us enhance our skills and creativity. The program is usually followed by a visual roundtable of members' images, giving us the opportunity to see some of the current work of members, share new locations and approaches to photography. Focus Group Camera Club celebrates our photographic creativity in group shows in galleries around Central Virginia. We thank Jenny and the Crossroads Gallery for again inviting us to show our work here. And we hope that viewers of this virtual opening will soon be able to come to the gallery to see our work. You can also see and purchase our photographs online at crossroadsgallery.com. You can learn more about Focus Group Camera Club and how you might join our lively group on our website at focusgroupcc.com. Thank you.